If you want to track employee or your own location in Clockify, in this video I'll show you how to enable GPS tracking step by step. So log into Clockify on desktop, then go to Workspace Settings. To do that, click on the three dots at the top, then tap on Workspace Settings. Now once you're here, under General, scroll down or look for Track Location. Now toggle on Activate GPS Tracking and tap on I agree. Now this allows Clockify to record locations when users clock in via mobile. So GPS tracking only works when using the Clockify mobile app like Android or iOS, and users must clock in using the app. So it won't track location from desktop. Now on the phone, enable location services and set permission to allow while using app or always allow. So without this, GPS tracking won't work. Now once enabled, you can go to reports or timesheets and you'll see recorded job sites or locations tied to time entries. So this is useful for tracking field workers. Now, it only works when timer is running and it requires mobile app usage, not real-time tracking, only logs locations during clock-ins. Now, make sure your team always starts the timer on site for accurate location tracking. And that's how you can enable and use GPS tracking in Clockify. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.